Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel World Zine. Imagine the pet wagging its tail at you today. Could be the same creature that turns into your worst nightmare tomorrow. These aren't stories from horror movies. These are real-life incidents where loyal pets turned into brutal killers. Let's dive into the darkest side of pet ownership. Travis the chimpanzee, the day he snapped, USA. Travis was a 200-pound chimp who lived like a human, drank wine, watched TV, and used the toilet. One day in 2009, his owner's friend Charla Nash came to visit, and Travis suddenly attacked her.
What's the problem there?
The, the chimp killed my friend!
What's the problem with your friend? I need to know.
The police up! With a gun! With a gun! He ripped her apart! Hurry up!
With a gun.
Hurry up, please!
He ripped off her face so brutally that even doctors were shocked. Police shot Travis dead, but the trauma remained forever. Experts said, chimpanzees are intelligent, but they're still wild. One trigger, and instinct takes over. Marius Els and his son, the hippo, South Africa. Marius adopted a hippo named Humphrey and called him his son. They swam together and shared meals like best friends. But in 2011, Humphrey dragged Marius into a river and crushed him to death. His body was found 2 days later. Hippos may look cute, but they're one of the deadliest animals in the world, killing over 500 people a year. Jasper the Labrador, calm until the kill, UK. Jasper, a seemingly gentle Labrador, lived peacefully with his owner. But one day, without warning, he lunged at his owner's neck, fatally. Later, it was discovered the dog had an undiagnosed neurological condition. Sometimes, pets send subtle signals we ignore and pay the price. The python that killed a baby, Florida. A couple raised an 8-foot python like a family member. One night, it escaped its tank, slithered into the crib, and suffocated their 2-year-old baby. The snake wasn't aggressive, it was just following its nature. They failed to secure the enclosure, and the price was a child's life. The Harlem apartment jungle, a tiger at home, New York. Antoine Yates secretly kept a fully grown Bengal tiger in his apartment. He built it a jungle-like room inside a city building. One day, the tiger attacked Yates himself, leaving him severely injured. SWAT had to tranquilize the animal through the wall. Wild animals don't belong in concrete cages, no matter how tame they seem. Parrot that exposed an affair. A man felt something odd in his marriage, but couldn't prove it, until his parrot started repeating, "Oh baby, not now, he's home." Suspicious, the man checked his wife's phone and uncovered her affair. The parrot didn't kill anyone, but it sure destroyed lives. Wolf-dog hybrid, one pet, two personalities. A couple raised a wolf-dog hybrid, thinking it was just a cool-looking dog. One day, their child was playing nearby, and in a flash, the animal snapped and attacked. The child survived but was hospitalized for weeks. Wolf hybrids may look like pets, but their instincts belong to the wilderness. The ferret attack, tiny but terrifying. A couple kept a small ferret as a cute, cuddly pet. One evening, while watching TV, they left their baby in a crib. The ferret sneaked into the crib and chewed the baby's fingers. Experts say, when ferrets are hungry or bored, they can go into predator mode, despite their size. The birthday bear, when cake wasn't enough, Russia. A man in Russia raised a brown bear from cubhood, even celebrating its birthdays. But on the bear's 9th birthday, he forgot to give it cake. The bear mauled him to death. Bears don't care about birthdays. They care about dominance and instincts. Cats, the silent survivors. In several reported cases, pet cats were found feeding on their dead owners' bodies. Experts explain, cats don't grieve like dogs, they're survivors. If you die alone, your cat might just nibble your ear 2 days later. They're not evil, just incredibly practical. Pets can love you deeply, but never forget, their roots lie in the wild. Owning a pet isn't a hobby, it's a responsibility. Respect their nature, understand their instincts. Or someday, your loyal friend might just become your final enemy. Which story shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until then, keep exploring, keep wondering, and stay connected.